It is 1:20 p.m. Sunday, October 15th, 2023. We're aboard Amtrak train number 350, the Wolverine, I'm headed from Chicago Union Station to Detroit. This Wolverine goes on to Pontiac, Michigan. We're about to come to Wayne, Michigan, and we will cross the CSX Transportation Saginaw Subdivision, originally the Chesapeake and Ohio Railway, coming down from northern parts of Michigan. And we are on the Michigan Department of Transportation Michigan line. There will be a level crossing at Wayne, Michigan of the CSX Transportation Saginaw Subdivision. This was originally I believe the New York Central Railroad. This is a fairly new Siemens Venture coach built at the Siemens factory in Sacramento, California. Next stop will be Dearborn, Michigan, then Detroit. We're running about a half an hour late, I think, due to the high volume of ridership as far as people getting on and off at intermediate stations. Departing Chicago Union Station this morning, we had 166 passengers in the coaches and 14 in business class. I believe we're now passing through Wayne, W-A-Y-N-E, Michigan. It's like an auto assembly plant in the distance. My description will have the detail. Still passing by the auto plant. In the distance, carloads of auto frames on flat cars. And this would be Norfolk Southern Railroad handling the freight here. Norfolk Southern. And auto racks to be loaded with automobiles. And we just crossed the CSX Transportation Saginaw Subdivision, originally the Chesapeake and Ohio Railway, running north-south through here. We have one General Electric P42DC diesel electric locomotive, one Bombardier Horizon combination cafe car, business class car, one Siemens Venture business class car being used as a coach, two Siemens Venture coaches including this one, another Siemens Venture business class car being used as a coach, and bringing up the rear a Siemens SC-44 Charger diesel electric locomotive. Total 5 cars. Let's just take a walk through this Siemens Venture coach. It's now 1:27 p.m. Sunday, October 15th, 2023, aboard Amtrak train number 350, the Wolverine, operating from Chicago Union Station to Pontiac, Michigan, now east of Wayne, Michigan, over and out.